Before you begin building your hotel listing on Virsitour, let's walk through a quick checklist to make sure you have everything you need. Getting this together now will make your setup process smoother and help your property stand out to planners. Let's start with the basics. You'll need your hotel type, like airport, downtown, or urban, plus a short description that gives planners a quick overview. You'll also want a longer listing overview, your website URL, your hotel logo, and a featured image that visually represents your property. Next up, location and contact details. We'll need your hotel's address, general email, and main phone number. This should be the property's information, not your personal contact just yet. Then you'll add your own contact info so planners know who to reach out to with questions or RFPs. Now it's time to bring your listing to life. Upload a photo gallery, link up to 4 videos from YouTube or Vimeo, and include a 360 virtual site tour link if you have one. You can also add your hotel's social media handles and let us know how close you are to the airport or downtown. This helps planners quickly assess your location. To make your listing even more valuable, include any downloadable resources planners typically ask for, like capacity charts, menus, floor plans, AV guides, and one-sheets. Then fill in your hotel brand and amenities, your guest room breakdown, including total rooms, kings, doubles, and suites, and your meeting space details like total square footage, number of rooms, and the size of your largest and smallest spaces. And that's it. Once you've gathered all your assets, log into your Virsitour account and start building your listing. Start by logging into your supplier account and clicking Create New Listing. From here, you'll go step by step through each section, dropping in the information and files you've already prepared. Add your hotel type, short and long descriptions, logo, and featured image in the first section. Then move on to your property address, general contact info, and your personal contact details. Upload your photo gallery, video links, and 360 virtual site tour to bring your property to life. Don't forget to enter your proximity to the airport or downtown, and link your social media accounts if applicable. Next, attach any useful documents like capacity charts, menus, or one-sheets, and enter your guest room and meeting space details, including square footage, room types, and layout options. Once you've filled everything out, hit Update and Submit for approval. We'll review your listing for accuracy and formatting, and once approved, it will go live on the platform, ready for planners to discover and send you qualified RFPs. And remember, even after your listing is live, you can make edits or updates at any time. That's it! Your property is now part of the Virsitour network. Sit back, relax, and get ready for those qualified leads to start coming your way.